Hello and welcome to the Times Most Desirable People edition of 2019. Desirable 50 men and women of the big screen से मिलने के बाद आज मेरे पास है a perfectly gift wrapped surprise for you all. आज मैं आपकी desirability guide से आपको मिलवाने वाली हूँ Times 20 Most Desirable Men TV 2019 से। ये है आपके हॉट फेवरेट स्मॉल स्क्रीन स्टार्स जिन्हें टीवी पर एडमायर करना है आपकी फेवरेट हॉबी। इन्हें भी चुना है आपने ही विद योर लव डिप्ड वोट्स ऑन www.timesofindia.com। तो चलिए मिलते हैं द स्टनिंग फेसेस ऑफ टेलीविजन से ऑन नंबर्स 20 to 1। ऑन नंबर 20 करण वी ग्रोवर। इस बेहतरीन लिस्ट की शुरुआत करते हैं विद समवन रियली पॉपुलर ऑन द डिजिटल स्क्रीन्स, करण वी ग्रोवर। छोटे पर्दे के इस डॉक्टर रोहित सिप्पी फ्रॉम कहां हम कहां तुम ने जीत लिए हैं हार्ट्स विद हिज स्वीट पर्सोना एंड डैशिंग अवतार। तो नंबर 20 पे लेट्स वेलकम करण वी ग्रोवर विद हिज स्वीट स्माइल एंड चार्मिंग लुक्स। ऑन नंबर 19 सहबान आज़ीम। Sehbaan Azim enters the Times Most Desirable Men of Television list with his amazing on-screen presence and mischievous smile. Sehbaan है छोटे पर्दे के बड़े स्टार और ACP मल्हार राणे के रोल में टेलीविजन सीरियल तुझसे है राब्ता में वो बिखेरते हैं अपना जलवा like a true star. On number 19 is the sizzling young man, Sehbaan Azim. On number 18, Karan Singh Grover. He has been around in the entertainment industry for a long time. Winning awards and gaining a massive fan following, Karan Singh Grover hai oh so desirable. As Mr. Bajaj in Kasauti Zindagi ke, Karan became an instant hit as his fans gave him a resounding welcome on the small screen. उनका किरदार था negative, लेकिन फिर भी he became as popular as the lead actors of the serial. Needless to say, this list would have been incomplete without a mention of Karan Singh Grover, featuring on number 18. On number 17, Vishal Aditya Singh. Too hot to resist on the small screen, Vishal Aditya Singh sparkled on the stages of reality shows in 2019. As a dancing star on Nach Baliye or during his stint in the popular reality show Bigg Boss, Vishal brought his A game with his powerful screen presence. Tall, dark, handsome and talented, Vishal has sought after and stunning on number 17. On number 16, Namit Khanna. Hailing from India's capital city, New Delhi, our next handsome hunk on the countdown is the model-turned-actor Namit Khanna. As Dr. Siddhant Mathur, Namit in Sanjeevani has gathered fans and made girls swoon with his dapper personality. With his terrific looks and impressive acting skills, Namit is a deadly combination of a charming attitude mixed with raw sex appeal. Stealing the show on the desirability ramp is Namit Khanna at number 16. On number 15, Zain Imam. Winner of the Most Stylish Actor Award, meet the debonair Zain Imam. Loaded with massive fanfare, ye hai small screen ka big star. His elegant looks complemented by his dreamy brown eyes makes the heart swoon wherever he goes. कभी एज अ जानबाज कंटेस्टेंट इन फियर फैक्टर खतरों के खिलाड़ी 9, तो कभी प्लेइंग कबीर प्रेम मित्तल इन एक भ्रम सर्वगुण संपन्न, जैन है ओ सो ड्रूल वर्दी ऑन नंबर 15. ऑन नंबर 14, Ali Goni. स्मॉल स्क्रीन का गॉर्जियस लुकिंग स्टार एंड एक्टर है Ali Goni. वो दिखे pulling off some daring stunts in Fear Factor खतरों के खिलाड़ी season 9. His presence on the reality show thrilled his fans as much as his dance moves on Nach Baliye. कश्मीर से आया ये rare find है filled with oodles of oomph on number 14. On number 13, Karan Wahi. This actor and television show host rocks his on-screen roles to the thrill of his millions of fans. Karan Wahi has been around in the entertainment industry for a long time and now is busy hosting shows, only making audiences grow fonder of him. He is handsome, he is talented, and he is just perfect for the 13th spot on this countdown. On number 12, Dheeraj Thupar. Dheeraj Thupar is on a winning streak with a lot of awards for his performances in various television shows as an actor and show host too. His presence on reality shows makes them completely worth a watch, and so he rightfully deserves his place on number 12 on the most desirable men of television's list. On number 11, Avinash Rekhi. Playing the lead role of Sarabjit Gill in the television drama Choti Sardarni is this charming yet dashing star Avinash Rekhi. Everyone loves his on-screen chemistry with Nimrat Kaur Ahluwalia so much that he has quickly climbed the desirability charts to reach number 11. On number 10, Shrey Mittal. The Splitsvilla 12 contestant Shrey Mittal is winning hearts and gaining popularity as well. An avid pet lover who thoroughly enjoys long drives, Shrey has bagged the 10th spot on the desirability countdown of Time's most desirable men of television's list. On number 9, Vivian DeSena. This intense, angry man of the small screen है television की दुनिया का spoiled brat, Vivian DeSena. उनके पास है वो अदाएं to become the most loved face from the small screen. His stint as Harman in Shakti won him a lot of awards. With popularity personified, Vivian takes the number 9 on this coveted list. On number 8, Harshad Chopra. He is the hot and handsome small screen superstar Harshad Chopra. उनके फैंस करते हैं उनसे बेपनाह मोहब्बत. And Harshad takes on his small screen portrayals like a pro. Winning accolades and awards for his acting in Bepanha, this dashing star has soaring high on irresistibility and super high on desirability number 8 par. On number 7, Shivan Narang. Shivan Narang, the young boy from the super hit number Yaad Piya Ke Aane Lagi, है the topper of the television industry with ultimate good looks. उनका heavenly charm बनाता है इन्हें appealing not only in India but across the globe. Behad 2 के Rudra makes girls and ladies hold their breath, and we can't help but admire the gorgeousness of Shivan Narang on number 7. On number 6, Pearl V. Puri. He topped the Time's most desirable men on television list last year. And while we were smitten by his portrayal of a golden-hearted Mahir Sehgal in Nagin 3, Pearl V. Puri slowly but steadily conquered the TV kingdom. His female fans find him har nazar se khoobsurat. His fair looks, puffed up hair and bold black eyes make him so dreamy. Pearl definitely deserves to be in the spotlight, making him absolutely apt for this list on number 6. On number 5, Aasim Riaz. Aasim Riaz bags the 5th spot on this coveted Time's most desirable television list. While he couldn't win season 13 of Bigg Boss, he was one of the finalists who captured more hearts than any other contestant on the immensely popular reality show. A model from Jammu, Aasim loves his bikes as much as his female fans love him. This fitness freak keeps in perfect shape to tempt even more fans. Along with his charming personality, Aasim Riaz is the perfect fit on this list as he continues to dominate the small screen, making his presence felt in the world of entertainment. On number 4, Mohsin Khan. On number 4 है the impossible to miss ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है कि कार्तिक गोयनका Mohsin Khan. His charisma on screen is absolutely worth tuning into your television sets. A smooth blend of good looks, magical allure, and remarkable acting skills make him desirable to the core. The small screen ke Mr. Khan makes his mark on number 4 on the Time's Most Desirable Men on Television this year. On number 3, Shahir Sheikh. He played the role of Shehzada Salim in Dastan-e-Mohabbat Salim Anarkali and then portrayed the somber and suave Abir Rajwansh in Ye Rishte Hain Pyar Ke. Shahir Sheikh rules the hearts of women of all ages. Once a lawyer by profession, he thankfully quit to become a full-time charmer on the small screen. Stylish and smoking hot, this complete man hai loved in India and beyond. We bring you Shahir Sheikh on number 3. On number 2, Parth Samthan. The desirability lanes are on fire as Parth Samthan enters the list on number 2. कसौटी जिंदगी के में ये न्यू एज अनुराग का कैरेक्टर पोर्ट्रे करते हुए Parth became immensely loved as his personality gathered huge popularity. Filled with energy और swag से भरपूर, let's hear it for Parth Samthan, who is rocking it up on this desirability countdown. On number 1, Siddharth Shukla. Small screen का big star, the macho and sensational Siddharth Shukla. इनके dusky looks और intense gaze पर है fans बिल्कुल फिदा. His fan following has reached sky high क्योंकि इन्होंने जीत लिया है the top rated television reality show Big Boss. और क्यों ना हो, Siddharth is fit and tall और उनकी power packed dialogue delivery matches his calm and composed nature. This combination makes him a complete package and undeniably desirable. No wonder he bags the number 1 spot on the Time's Most Desirable Men on Television of 2019.
A big thank you to everybody who's voted for me to be on the Most Desirable Man's list. And thank you Times of India for having me on your list of the Most Desirable Men. Thank you once again, and everybody just stay home, stay healthy and stay safe. Love you.
मैं हूँ स्पीचलेस इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग डोज ऑफ डिजायरेबिलिटी के बाद, पर करेंगे इस स्प्री ऑफ ग्लैमर को कंटिन्यू इन अ नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट as we get you those top 20 most desirable divas from the teleworld of 2019 जिनका करिश्मा है impossible to ignore. So stay tuned.
Hello and welcome back after the break. 20 dazzling stars of the small screen से मिलने के बाद, how about we meet 20 iconic beauties of the soap operas? After all, television की दुनिया के talented faces हमें रखते हैं glued to our favorite shows and give us a reason to tune into the small screen. Let's greet with all our hearts desirable ladies shining bright on number 20 to number 1. Number 20, Shrenu Parekh. Small screen की typical बहू श्रेनु पारेख हैं जानवी और पूजा शर्मा from the tele soap opera. एक भ्रम सर्वगुण संपन्न गुजरात की ये beautiful actress creates waves in the entertainment industry with her looks, style and her अदायगी on just about every countdown. With those expressive eyes and her $1 million smile, Shrenu kicks off our desirability countdown on number 20. Number 19, Tina Datta. Her beautiful dark eyes और प्यारी सी मुस्कान ने दिया टीना दत्ता को the number 19 spot on the Time's Most Desirable Women on Television in 2019. Simple yet stylish, ये actress है much loved on the small screen. Tele soap Diane हो या Box Cricket League, Tina makes sure to give her 100% in each role she portrays. Number 18. Shraddha Arya. She has won many popular awards recently, and her portrayal of Dr. Preeti Arora in Kundli Bhagya made her instantly loved and acknowledged by her fans. She was also seen dancing her heart out on the dance reality show Nach Baliye. We knew she will definitely get hearts racing, so it's no surprise she bags number 18. Number 17. Priyam Vadakant. Winner of the television reality show MTV Splitsvilla, Priyam Vadakant is the face to watch out for. Bagging a spot on number 17 है ये नाजुक सी damsel gaining fanfare with her sweet appearance on the show, Kulfi Kumar Bajewala. Priyam Vadakant is here to stay and slay on our desirability countdown. Number 16. Ridhima Pandit. AdWorld, TV screens और award evenings की favorite star, the daredevil Ridhima Pandit है on number 16 on the Times Most Desirable Women in Television. उनका stunt loving अवतार हो या हैवान, the monster में अमृता शर्मा का किरदार, Ridhima है perfect on this list which celebrates the most beautiful women of the small screen. Number 15. Crystal D'Souza. Charismatic through and through, this chirpy and award-winning actress is Crystal D'Souza. उनके sharp features और diva-like personality रखती हैं उनके glamour quotient को always a little higher than her contemporaries. Winning an award for her most stylish personality है Crystal D'Souza, spicing up our desirability list on number 15. Number 14. Naira Banerjee. टेलीविजन और डिजिटल वर्ल्ड पर रूल कर रही हैं नायरा बैनर्जी. ये dazzling damsel पहले दिखी ऑन दी OTT प्लेटफॉर्म इन ऑपरेशन कोबरा और फिर as दिव्या शर्मा शेरगिल इन दिव्य दृष्टि. The bold yet classy Naira Banerjee makes her presence felt on this coveted list. Number 13. Shehnaz Gill. That one contestant who bagged immense fan following and love from the viewers of Bigg Boss is Shehnaz Gill. While she didn't win the show, she still managed to win hearts और अपनी attractive अदाओं से ये कर रही है rule all the music charts of the Punjabi music world. On number 13 है the gorgeously talented Shehnaz, who is clearly slaying it with all her recent popularity. Number 12. Jasmine Bhasin. Here's presenting a complete package of prettiness, popularity and some power-packed performances. Fans ने इनको पसंद किया इन दिल तो हैप्पी है जी और उन्होंने फैंस को सरप्राइज किया with her daredevil side in Fear Factor खतरों के खिलाड़ी 9. इनके sultry looks और वो हसीन presence बनाती है इन्हें perfect for the number 12 spot on this countdown. Number 11. Himanshi Khurana. This superstar of the Punjabi music video industry bags the number 11 spot on the Times Most Desirable Women television's list, gaining amazing popularity with her presence on Bigg Boss in 2019. Himanshi Khurana ने already signed किया है a lot of projects, so her fans will get a lot more of her ravishing presence on the small screens this year too. Number 10. Nimrit Kaur Ahluwalia. Nimrit Kaur Ahluwalia है a debutant on the small screen in 2019, playing the main lead protagonist of the television soap Choti Sardarni. But she already has a lot of fans who voted for her to be on the Times Most Desirable Women television list. A trained jazz dancer, Nimrit has moved to the small screen from the world of beauty pageants. But going by her dedication to the entertainment industry, she is clearly here to stay. Number 9. Maisha Iyer. A diva that sparkled brightly on the season 12 of the reality show Splitsvilla. Maisha Iyer has bagged the number 9 spot on this coveted list. Her sparkling eyes and those luscious tresses made her fans vote for her as a popular choice on our countdown. Number 8. Surbhi Jyoti. Making her presence felt on a number of reality shows on television in 2019, सुरभि ज्योति के फैंस ने उनको पहुंचा दिया है नंबर 8 पर ऑन टाइम्स मोस्ट डिजायरेबल वुमेन ऑफ टेलीविजन 2019 लिस्ट. Working her way up the popularity charts, it's Surbhi Jyoti making hearts beat faster with her sultry charm. Number 7. Shivangi Joshi. She's cute, she's dreamy, she's an absolute stunner. शिवांगी जोशी. ये रिश्ते हैं प्यार के में अपना जादू बिखेरती हुई शिवांगी है स्वीट, प्रिटी एंड petite. Hailing from an army background, she loves to grace her followers with her wholesome social media pics. A dancer at heart and a natural actress, she's the perfect mix of desirability or popularity. शिवांगी जोशी है हमारी लिस्ट पे on number 7. Number 6. Divya Agarwal. Next है a popular face in the digital world, Divya Agarwal. कहीं पे शो होस्ट तो कहीं पर as a participant. Divya made sure she showcased her talents at the highest levels across OTT platforms to achieve her dream of conquering hearts in the world of entertainment. That puts her in the upper ranks, right up there on number 6. Number 5. Karishma Tanna. ये stylish yet seductive queen of hearts है Karishma Tanna. The charismatic Karishma lights up TV screens with her unique presence. A seasoned actress, an enticing host, and a daring girl, Karishma has tons of appeal. With her fierce antics on the television reality show Khatron Ke Khiladi, this tantalizing star has won the show too, and so Miss Tanna certainly deserves her rank on number 5. Number 4. Erica Fernandez. Erica Fernandez is a beauty queen and fashion icon. She gained immense popularity as Prerna in Kasauti Zindagi Ki, and since then there's been no turning back. We are quite sure this Mangalorean beauty is on a mission to create an uproar, which brings her to number 4. Number 3. Nia Sharma. Adding glamour and sheen to the small screens, Nia Sharma. She smiles like a dream, performs like a pro, and shines like a superstar. इसलिए निया के फैंस उन्हें देखना पसंद करते हैं in various television shows. Stunning and highly sought after, करती small screen को big time mesmerize. We give you Nia Sharma on number 3. Number 2. Jennifer Winget. Loved for the magic she creates in front of the camera, this is the gorgeous Jennifer Winget. Miss Winget के brunette hair, those expressive eyes और उनके charming features हैं enough to make her worthy of all the attention she demands. बेहद 2 में नजर आई ये gorgeous star playing the role of Maya Jessing when she drove her fans crazy over her role with a revenge streak, making the TV world every bit more beautiful. Jennifer Winget is in second place. Number 1. Hina Khan. She once portrayed the good Bahu role in her olden days and went on to become a household name. Then she graced red carpets and ramp walks with her stunning looks. After featuring in various events in her sultry avatar, Hina played the role of Kamalika in Kasauti Zindagi Ki to become a sensation all over again. The seductive walk, those smoky eyes, and her wicked smile captured hearts of her fans और ये size 0 star बन गई everyone's favorite vamp, making just about everyone's heart skip a beat. Retaining her numero uno position from last year, the top of the list goes to the head turner, Hina Khan.
Thank you, Times of India, for this honor. Most Desirable Woman 2020. For the second time in a row, I've topped the list. Thank you so much. And thank you all my fans who voted for me and supported me throughout. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Thanks to your votes and thanks to their stardom, all my favorites made it there to top 20 most desirable women TV 2019. The hottest who's who of desirability on the big and small screen को disclose करने के बाद हम लेते हैं विदा आपसे. All you people, stay awesome, stay home and stay safe. And don't forget to keep watching Zoom.